You don't have to be a car expert to take good care of your vehicle. Whether you drive daily for work, travel on weekends, or simply rely on your car to keep life running smoothly, a few simple habits can make a huge difference. 5 car maintenance tips every woman should know to help you stay safe, avoid unexpected breakdowns, and feel more in control behind the wheel. Tip number 1. Check your tire pressure regularly. Tire pressure directly affects how your vehicle handles, how much fuel it uses, and even your safety. Underinflated tires can increase the risk of a blowout, especially during high-speed driving or long trips. The good news is, checking and adjusting tire pressure is quick and easy. Most gas stations provide a tire pressure gauge and an air pump. If you prefer to check at home, you can buy a reliable digital tire gauge online for under $20. Make it a habit to check your tires at least once a month, and always before a road trip. This small step takes just a minute, but can prevent big problems later. Tip number 2. Understand your dashboard warning lights. Your dashboard is your vehicle's way of communicating important information. If a red warning light appears, like the oil pressure, brake system, or check engine light, it's a sign that something needs attention right away. Ignoring it could lead to more serious and costly issues. If you're unsure what a specific light means, a quick internet search can help. Or, consider getting an OBD2 scanner. It's a small device that plugs into your car and provides clear explanations of any alerts, and it costs about $20. Staying informed gives you peace of mind and helps you make decisions with confidence. Tip number 3. Check and refill your vehicle's fluids. Once a month, take a few minutes to lift the hood and check the levels of key fluids, engine oil, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. Most vehicles make this process simple, with easy-to-read dipsticks or transparent tanks. If anything is low, topping it off usually takes less than a minute. This simple habit helps prevent wear and tear, improves performance, and ensures your car stays reliable over time. You don't need to be a mechanic, just a little attention goes a long way. Tip number 4. Pay attention to unusual sounds. Strange noises are often an early warning sign that something isn't right. If you hear squealing brakes, clicking when you turn the steering wheel, or any sound that feels unusual, don't ignore it. Listening to your vehicle can help you catch small issues before they become major repairs. Trust your instincts. If it sounds different, it's worth getting checked out by a professional. Tip number 5. Keep a basic emergency kit in your vehicle. Preparedness is a form of empowerment. A simple kit can include jumper cables, a flashlight, a small first aid kit, a tire inflator, and a portable phone charger. These items can be incredibly helpful in unexpected situations, whether it's a flat tire, a dead battery, or poor visibility. Review your kit every few months to make sure everything still works and nothing is missing. Having the right tools on hand helps you stay calm and confident, wherever the road takes you. Caring for your car doesn't need to be overwhelming. With just a few smart routines each month, you can reduce stress, avoid costly surprises, and build confidence every time you drive. Knowledge is power, and taking responsibility for your vehicle is a practical. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and tapping the bell icon. We'll continue to share simple, helpful car advice, designed to make car ownership simpler, safer, and more accessible for every woman. Thank you for watching, and drive safe.